Coca-Cola,
Mhm.
then the ice cream, lollipop. Eh, nonsense. It's pure nonsense.
Yeah, and no sweet treats are safe from them.
Lollipop, 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 lollipop.
Guys, welcome to a new episode of What's This Behavior? Today we are going to talk about a brother and sister duo. Then suddenly they got a taste of fame and suddenly started to do cringe activities. I think most of us already guessed who I'm talking about. This is the Thakkar siblings. So before we jump into the video, please like, share, and comment in our contents. So, Poshali, what do you think about Deha and Tony's new song, Candy Shop?
Lollipop.
I think it's Candy Shop and Lollipop, Lollipop, Lollipop.
Lollipop,
One
lollipop.
lollipop, two lollipop. I
Lollipop.
think this is a great song for children to know the numbers.
Do not say that it is great for children. Did you look at the dance steps and the music video?
One lollipop, I want two lollipop, I want three lollipop, I want four lollipop.
Honestly, to shoot this kind of episodes, it actually takes courage because when I first saw the song, it is unbearable. It's cringe. It is actually a cringe fest, not only cringe.
Yeah.
And to make a video, we generally watch something several times. And yes, it was a torture. It was a
Like
pure
the
torture.
first thing came into my mind was how could siblings can think of such abomination? The dance steps, the concept, the song, everything is just another name of
Also the
abomination.
lyrics, that is always so double meaning. I mean, they always try to show something that's gonna get viral because of a negative thing.
Yes, and also their lyrics are so bad. I mean, there should be a level. I mean, of course, they are not someone who is making TikTok videos or
Mhm.
they are doing some stunts in the street. They are someone who has been in the industry now at least for a long time. I mean, if you see the trajectory of Neha
Mhm.
Kakkar, she has been associated with lots of projects. For an example, she sang and she actually playback for a lot of hit songs like
Yeah.
Dilbar Dilbar, then Aankh Mare from Simba. I mean, she worked
Saki
with lots
Saki.
of music directors. So
Mhm.
when you worked in the industry for such a long time, you should have certain kind of responsibility. You
Yeah, of
cannot just
course.
bring up with chapri TikTok type
Mhm.
of element where you are just trying to copy maybe Hollywood style. Because if you look her two other songs, I also want to mention why I talked about the Hollywood thing because there was one song called Kata Laga Uima Uima. Oh my God, she just copied Cardi B from top to bottom without any shame. Cardi B, Katy Perry, whatever you say, all the bright colors, neon, pink. And the thing is, this girl, I know being confident is great.
Mhm.
I salute her confidence. But at least should don't they watch themselves after shooting or after releasing these videos?
I think the main issue I have with them is like they have no originality. In every song, they are trying to copy something or remake something. They do not, I mean, they have talent, but why don't they want to use it? Like this song, this is everybody is saying this, they tried to copy the ice cream song by Selena Gomez and Blackpink,
Just with the kiss, so he call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice be.
but it turned out completely a disaster.
And
Yeah.
this is not the
And
first time. They are doing it now repeatedly. Now it is their way of being viral. Because if you
Yeah.
see Coca-Cola,
Mm-hmm.
then the ice cream, lollipop. Eh, nonsense. It's pure nonsense.
yeah, and no sweet treats are safe from them. Yeah, sometimes he sings about like you're my chocolate, you're my cupcake, you're my lollipop, you're my Coca-Cola. I mean, why do girls always have to be a food? Why they compare girls to a flower or something beautiful? It always has to be something sweet to show that the girl is really sweet.
No, no, no. They are not trying to, at least she is not trying to portray herself as a sweet person, because
No, no
if
way.
you notice her dance move, I want to mention about her dance move. Like recent times, I saw a video. Uh, I think it was a Neha Kakkar concert, and she was just pouring water from a bottle. And it's almost like she is trying to be Tyler. I don't know. But then it looked so vulgar. I'm so sorry, but that was not classy at all. I mean, if you are just trying to do something in the concert, it is not entertaining at
Yeah.
all. And then she did the exact same thing in this lollipop videos. She was twerking, but it was not working. It was looking. I don't know how they come up with this kind of concept all the
And
time.
in all her stage shows, one thing is common. She tries to do some moves, but she has no attention on the songs. Like she sings so bad during live shows. It's a torture to the audience. Like, why do they pay for this concert? I feel pity for them.
Yeah.
Voice অনেক
So
ভালো
I
কিন্তু
actually liked her voice in the beginning because it has a very unique tone, and the item songs require some kind of charisma that her voice has. But then she started to use it in a very stereotypical songs. I mean, she is using this voice in every single song that she sings. So I don't really think that she is using her potential to the highest.
Yeah, and the things bugged me a lot is that she ruined a lot of old classic songs with that seductive tones, like Falguni Pathak songs. Our childhood favorite songs, she ruined them with that seductive tone and all those double meaning body language, I guess, in the songs.
मैंने पायल है छनकाई अब तो आजा तू हर जाए मैंने पायल है छनकाई अब तो आजा तू हर जाए
Yeah, it just didn't bug us as audience. It also bugged the singer it's herself.
She said she was about to puke after she heard the song.
And I think by doing all this stuff, she actually lost respect in the music industry, and
Yeah.
also she demeaned her own value in some way. Because, like, I liked one thing about this family is that they came from a very humble background, and
Yeah.
they were actually living in a slum like environment, chawl, right? Right? They just came from their elder sister Sonu Kakkar. She actually struggled a lot. She was singing in Jagrata, and
Yeah.
then she tried to push her siblings. And we could see that there was a very beautiful bond among the three siblings. But then, even in the Indian Idol, she was not the best contestant.
Yeah.
Her voice was not that good during that time.
ऐसा लगता है अब दिल मेरा खोने को है
नेहा कक्कड़ तेरी मेरी एक मिनट तेरी आवाज सुनकर लगता है मैं अपने मुंह पर मारूं थप्पड़ यार क्या
But if you notice, she was always very confident. So I used to like those quirkiness or uniqueness in Neha Kakkar. And actually, their first sibling duo, Mile Ho Tum Humko Bare Nasibo Se. So
Yeah.
then I thought that, okay, they are doing good, they are collaborating well. But then I don't know, something happened with Neha Kakkar, especially I think after she became judge of Indian Idol. You guys remember, right? The drama she put in
Oh,
the Indian Idol show.
yes. Like
It's still a meme
50% of the
material.
drama of the reality show, it was happening around her. Her breakup, her marriage, her proposal, everything was about her during those seasons when she was a judge. I still remember how she was like crying about her boyfriend, then how her husband proposed her on the show. Like, I
Yeah.
think that never happened with any other reality show, that it is more focused on the judges than the actual participants.
क्या हुआ क्या हुआ है
Yeah. She always tries to make everything so dramatizing. Like she first before her release of a new song with her husband, she shared a picture of like a baby in the womb, giving hint that she is pregnant. But then it showed that it's just for the marketing of the song. It
And she
really
did
felt
something
really
similar
bad.
for I think a breakup song she did a few years ago. She did something similar, like she was trying to portray that she is divorcing her husband or something. It's so weird. She brings personal life all the time to just promote her songs.
Let's talk about her dressing sense. I mean, I'm not judging her, but I have to judge her because of her body shape. I'm not saying that like her body is bad, but there are some things that you need to wear according to your body, right? But nothing goes with her. Still, she puts on anything that she thinks will look attractive on the screen, and then she just moves her body in a way that looks really vulgar, and she knows that that will catch the attention of the audience, however, if it's negative or positive. And also, if you look at her recent videos, all of these kind of videos have over millions of views, and
Mm-hmm.
15 million, 19 million, whatever you call it. So I think she knows that it sells, so she is using it without any shame.
You're absolutely right. And she does not take accountability of whatever she is doing is wrong. Like we saw in the Australia concert she did a few months ago. Like she came to the concert 3 hours late and started crying on the stage, like, please forgive me. You should start the show as soon as you are here. You are not here to cry and make a drama. People paid a lot to see you and listen to your songs.
This is not India. You are in Australia. अभी जाओ आराम करो होटल पे.
This is really sweet.
Go back.
इतनी patience. इतनी देर से आप लोग वेट करो. I hate it. मैंने लाइफ में कभी किसी को वेट नहीं
Waited
करना.
for 2 hours.
इतना देर से वेट कर रहे हो. I'm so sorry.
Very good acting. Very good acting. Very good acting.
I think this is her only USP. She can cry at any
Cry
time,
and
at any
make
place.
drama. Yeah.
Either cry or wear skimpy clothes in music videos.
Or do some cringe things in the reality show or the live events.
Yes. And also about her dress up, I have another thing to say. I mean, did you notice that she tries to be very cute but vulgar at the same time? I mean, I don't know who
Unique
is her
combination.
audience. If you want to be cute, then be cute. Your audience is different. But then you want to be vulgar also. So I don't understand what is her audience type. I think it's only the people who are just doing TikTok and who are making videos like us.
Yeah, so how about her brother Tony Kakkar? Let's talk about him now. I mean, all the lyrics and music and his singing also feels very
I
repetitive.
I think the way Tony Kakkar is moving ahead, after some days, Bollywood music directors will give Supari of Tony Kakkar just to, just to take him somewhere else, because it is disturbing the way he is making songs after songs in such a bad taste, and people are consuming that. So in some, to some extent, he is actually kind of responsible to derail the audience, to make their taste worse and worse day by day.
आई वो 1 लॉलीपॉप 2 लॉलीपॉप 3 लॉलीपॉप. अरे 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 मजा आ रहा है सब कमेंट्स पढ़ने में. पॉप म्यूजिक है, ट्रोल तो होगा एक सर्टेन लेवल पे, पर बहुत ऑडियंस है यार, क्या करें. यू कैन नॉट इग्नोर द बिजनेस. एंड कोई अपना होगा या जिंदगी बता दे जैसे वीडियोस को प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए उस पर जो पैसा लगता है वो इन्हीं गानों से आता है. तो थैंक यू, कर दो वायरल. और काफी हो भी गया.
Because you are just putting cringe after cringe and people are there to
There's no
consume.
substance. Like, look at the lyrics, look at the music. There is nothing original in there. A 5-year-old could write those lyrics, right?
Yeah, I
Arey,
got
forget about original.
lollipop, 3 lollipop, 4 lollipop, 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 lollipop.
I mean,
This is how I
forget
will
about
teach my
original.
children.
I think he just does Control C and Control V. One word and then paste it for 100 times. Forget about creativity.
Yeah, I think it's time they start using some AI to write the lyrics at least.
Okay, so we just want to tell you that you can do quarreling, kicking, fighting, everything with your siblings, but please do not make this kind of cringe fest with your siblings. This is not something siblings should do.
And please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to keep the chaos going. Bye bye.